Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the positive, negative volume with histogram. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the positive, negative volume plus histogram. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 32 different strategies, with 8 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 425 indicators, with 175 winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can do with those indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the positive, negative volume and histogram. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And really, what we are going to concentrate on is the oscillating moving average line that is running throughout the indicator. The reason why we're going to do that is the histogram, the positive and negative volume itself, I can already tell, is just going to bounce signals like crazy. It's going to really overtrade, give a lot of signals, too many signals than we need. And so to slow things down a little bit, what we are going to do is we are going to test the moving average here, which is draws its source from the volume, the positive negative volume. And so the setup on this is when we get a red color moving average, we are going to go short. When we get a teal or bluish color moving average, then we are going to go long. So it's basically the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing, see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we picked up a short as our first signal. Pretty quickly it got stopped out. Its price action jumped to the upside pretty quickly there. And then we picked up a long as a next signal there. You can see that we actually had a gap up from 1 week to the next there. And as we did, we would have hit profit because of that gap up. And then we pick up short right here on this side. Let's go ahead and play it forward. And that one gets us to take profit pretty nicely as well. So let's go ahead and continue forward. Alright, so we picked up a long right here. That one got stopped out as we pretty much immediately went down price action. But then we picked up a short. That one squeezed out take profit. Then as it rolled back up, we got a long signal. That one actually would have gotten stopped out, which is a shame because it was just a slight pullback. And then it took off to the upside there like we originally wanted it to do. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the video, the testing, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you will get access to the Patreon only channel where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. Our admins and regular members post almost everyday market analysis where they're put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits, whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons really love being able to follow along with those trades themselves in their own accounts, maybe take some really decent profits with the guidance of the senior members and the admins. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which indicators were winners and which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. You'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested. It shows exactly which strategies were winners and losers and their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And lastly, new thing that we've been doing is our admin Rob has been posting Forex and crypto scanner alerts. And so this is a scanner that he has set up himself with his own personal parameters, and he uses this personally himself to take trades as a profitable trader. And what he is doing is every time he gets the alerts from his scanner, he goes ahead and posts those in the Patreon only channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those alerts and those signals. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Now, I was hoping that by using the just the moving average instead of the histogram itself, that it would keep us from over trading. But as you can see, we got a lot of signals. So let's go ahead and count these out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So we have 33 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria, which I'm not really surprised about considering how many signals this indicator gave. And for those of you who have been around for a while watching the testing of many indicators, you'll know that almost always an indicator that gives a lot of signals like this, I'd say 30 or more, generally does not meet the 60% criteria. It's just jamming signals every little movement of the market and is doing so very inaccurately. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.